Enjoy by Jonas has added a kit that can be used when opening your pool for the season. You will want to add the 2 bags of Zappit, which is 73% Cal Hypo, the entire bottle of stain and scale preventer, and the bottle of Algaecide 30. Let the pool pump circulate the water for at least 24 hours. At this time, it would be a good thing to bring a water sample to your local pool professional in order to analyze water chemistry and add additional chemicals based on results.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.